Right back here, we had price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low with a massive move up. So as well money moves out of the market, this should drag the price down, which will bring the trades in favor down too. If we see price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low, as we hit that structure support at $40,000, that's where we're going to be looking for the next major move up. Bitcoin is actively testing $45,000 as of today. And at this point, we may actually be rejecting. This is a little bit scary for Bitcoin, but personally, I still think we're going to head up to $48,000 soon. And while we may see a little bit of a pullback first, my target is still $48,000. And in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why that is and show you what you need to do to maximize your profit on these next moves. Let's jump into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. And if you are new here, we are so excited to trade with you. If you head down to the description of the video you're watching right now, you can access our insane membership at the first link, where you're going to get crazy benefits with our now 105. I'll show you that in just a second. But 105 win, 0 loss trade call strategy, access to our daily crypto metrics, and our $1 million profit account challenge. You're going to want to watch this video coming out tomorrow. It is members only content, and it's going to provide you with some really crucial data. Access our indicators at the second link for 60% off, and join our Telegram channel for free at the third link. Just a couple of announcements before we get started. To start out, I wanted to give you an update on the standing of Trade Confidence account. For 2023, the Trade Confident account balance has a break even of $320,000, and this right here, you can see we're over $120,000 in profit. Absolutely absurd. And that is for 2023 alone. Speaking of profits, we have 2 brand new trade wins. As of today, we've won the link trade called out on December 5th, yesterday. Make sure you have a full access membership to get your next trade call coming soon. That brings us to 104 wins. Down here, we got a 7% trade win on Ape, also called out yesterday, December 5th. This brings our total to 105 wins, and at the same time, we've actually called out new trade setups for you to take a look at. If we head over to the profits page, you can see down here, this person's just sold. This testimonial came in within the last week or so. This person made $4,103 based on the callouts made in the future forecast videos. Now, I'll talk to you a little bit later about the future forecast videos, but I just wanted to show you really quickly what Trade Confident has to offer with our membership. Snag a membership and be sure to stay updated for more trade wins and entries. With that, we're going to head down to Bitcoin to begin the analysis. The very first metric we're taking a look at is the Bitcoin Emotional Index. After yesterday's pump, we are now sitting in greedy territory, and most often, whether it's greedy or excited, this is where you're seeing moves back down in the market. So we need to be really careful here. Keep in mind, though, especially as we've moved into the bull market, these drops are not nearly as bad as they used to be. So I would honestly consider this just to form a higher low before moving up to create the next higher high and continue the uptrend. Next up, I want to talk to you about the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector. We are seeing massive spikes in volatility. No surprise after the insane pump that happened yesterday. As we begin evening out, we should see decreased volatility towards the top for a little bit. And at that point, if we see a drop back into the breakout zone, just as we have here, here, and here, this is where you're seeing really significant moves in the market. And the last 3 times this happened actually brought us to where we're at today. So watch out for really big moves with that. This metric shows how big the next move is going to be, but not quite the direction. And with that, we need to be paying attention to what whales are doing. With the whale smart money metric, we are seeing major short trade sentiment in the market. And this tells me that whales are likely to begin moving money out of the market, which theoretically should drop the price. As the price drops, whales are going to use short trades to make their profit. And at some point, very, very likely above this line right here, whales will begin entering long trades again. You'll see orange bars to the upside, and this is where you're going to see moves back up in the market. This shows what whales are likely to do soon. Let's see what whales are doing right this second. With this metric, we can see that whales are beginning to move out of the market after they topped out very near our local top with this metric. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So as long as whale money is dropping out of the market, we can expect the price to drop as well. It's as simple as that. If you can't beat them, join them, and that's why it's so important to track what whales are doing. Next up, let's talk support and resistance levels. Now, the maximum structural support that I think we're going to fall to would be about $38,000, but personally, I don't even think we're going to drop to that point. I think $40,000 right about here is going to be our main structure support. And I'll show you exactly where that looks like on the live charts. And last but not least is going to be the Bitcoin trade signals chart. Momentum is slowing down, typically after a pump and a stop in momentum, as we've seen right here and right here. This is where we're seeing sell and strong sell signals. Now, typically in a trending market, this would be a strong indication of a move down. But as you can see, we're transitioning into a brand new bull market. So sell and strong sell signals may actually indicate short squeezes, which is where prices move above a certain point. And as they do, begin liquidating short trades, which shoots the price up like crazy. So we'll keep you updated on what that may look like, but watch out for a sell or strong sell signal on Bitcoin and pay attention to what the other indicators are telling you, because if they're bearish with a sell signal, it's more likely to see drops. But if they're bullish with a sell signal, look for big moves incoming. Now, if you're a Bitcoin trader, you need to pay very close attention to these metrics. Our members get access to these Bitcoin metrics along with metrics across all 20 coins on our website. Don't forget about the future forecast calls. These are going to be absolutely crucial for your trades. As you saw on the profits page, one member made over $4,000 on the calls made in this members only content. Access our trade setups, where we are currently now 105 wins, 0 losses with 5 active trades. I know this sounds crazy, but you can view the performance record right here and verify the trades yourself. Access our live Inner Circle Zoom hangout every single month and get massive discounts on our indicators with our membership as well. You can't afford to miss out on this. And if you want access, all you got to do is check out the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down. Click more. The membership is the very first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our membership page, and you're going to want to act fast because price increases up to $95 a month is coming soon. The full access membership will give you everything I showed you and more. Just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, we're going to jump into the Bitcoin live charts. I'm trading Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame using the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicators. At this point, as we test structure resistance right here at $45,000, we can see how far back this goes, really far on into the bear market levels. This level has a lot of touches before we finally broke down. But as we test this resistance, we have price versus well money flow high, trades in favor high with a 93% chance of a drop. And most often, especially if we get a sell or strong sell signal, this will result in moves down. But once again, as I told you earlier, in order for the bull market to really take off, we need to see bearish signals completely invalidated. I do want to point out we have major structure support at $40,000. I'm actually going to turn this green to make that more clear. But if we get a sell or strong sell signal, I would not be shocked at all to see moves down to this structure support. And from the current price, that would be a move down of about 9% before we bounce and begin heading back up even higher to create a new 2023 high around $48,000. You've heard me talk about this in the last 3 Bitcoin videos. I think a move to $48,000 is inevitable, but we have bearish signals on the 1-day time frame. If we head to the 4-hour time frame, we do see a little bit more bullish because whale money is lower, but trades in favor is still high with an 85% chance of a drop, and whale money is still quickly moving out of the market. Overall bearish, and if we head to the 1-week time frame, we see price versus whale money flow insanely high, higher than it's been in a very long time, in fact, with trades in favor absolutely maxed out with a 99% chance of a drop as we test resistance. Now, all 3 of these time frames lining up showing bearish signals almost guarantees a move down, once again to $40,000, but if we scroll out here, once again, using that Fibonacci retracement, if we go to the bottom of the bear market and go back to the top of the previous bull market, this still puts the absolute top of our possible range at $48,000, as you can see on this white line right here. We've surpassed the golden 50% level, and after you pass that up, it's very common to move up to that next Fibonacci level. So once again, if we reject this resistance, we're going to be looking for a move straight down to 40,000 before we bounce back up, likely to test $48,000. However, there is a possibility of a short squeeze at this level that could push us straight up to $48,000 as well. Either way, 48,000 is my target. My only question at this point is how long it's going to take it if we're going to get a pullback first. A pullback would be very healthy and therefore not shocking at all. So just be prepared for either situation. It could be a good idea to have some cash on the sidelines to buy the dip if we make it to this level in order to maximize your profits on the way up. Of course, this is not financial advice, but buying the dip typically ends pretty well for traders, so I'm just going to throw that out there. Now, as this plays out, you need to pay very close attention to these indicators. Right back here, We had price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low with a massive move up. Price versus well money flow was low, a little bit higher than previous, but still low. Trades in favor was in the neutral zone. We saw moves up from there. So as well money moves out of the market, this should drag the price down, which will bring the trades in favor down too. If we see price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low, as we hit that structure support at $40,000, that's where we're going to be looking for the next major move up. These indicators call the tops and bottoms like crazy, and that's why it's so important that you snag them in order to not miss the next call. I know everyone's stressing for money through the holiday season, and this is how you're going to be able to maximize your profits in your crypto investments. So do not miss out. Snag these indicators at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to the pro indicator page. The best possible deal is to purchase with a membership because members get $150 off. It's significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Access your coupon code here, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down and click I want this. Throw in that membership coupon code, fill in your information, click Pay. It's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a total $550 discount. Go ahead and click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in tomorrow's future forecast video.